What up, man? It's your boy D-Bonds back with another banger. D.
Let me ask you something.
Damn, dog, you did it again.
I'm smoking dope with some steppers, Tupac is a gangster party. This Glock here up on my hip came with hollows to rock your body. Got 32 in this clip and one up top, shout out to Scotty. I've been a hot nigga before we got into it with Bobby. Tryna get rich like my son Rowdy, made some plays inside that Audi. I ain't
What up, Snotty Nose Gang? Y'all already know what it is, man. It's your boy D-Bonds back. What another solo video, man. Y'all know I ain't been posting in a while because I'm working on something, and I always keep something under my sleeve. I've been working on this, man. So y'all already know I don't just want to bring anything to the channel, but this is something that I definitely picked up because I'm really interested. The firearm reviews and all of that ain't going nowhere, but I feel as though this is something that's really important and everybody should know and have as a skill, which is nothing wrong with it. And I think it's a necessity. So with that being said, we got the battery right here. The Gold Mate 12.8 volts, 100 megawatts. We got the solar charger controller. And TikTok, I'm disappointed at TikTok, boy. They got me, boy. They said these was 200 solar panels each. This one supposed to be 200. This one supposed to be 200, which would equal 400. Besides that, but we're gonna try this baby and this right here. So what we got here is the solar charge controller, which help you maintain your battery, when to charge your battery, when to shut it off, and all that other good stuff. Y'all know where I'm going. So these right here, I did these wires by myself. Now the kit that this came with, it came with other extra accessories like this. You're gonna have to get extra pieces because this right here is flimsy. I wouldn't use this. I mean, you can, but I would get some better ones. But this right here, I used all the pieces that came with it. All I did was clip these off right here. All I did was just clip this off at the end right here, as y'all see, which is in this panel. So you just gotta clip it off. Clip this part off, and you put this in here. This one would go to your battery, if you have a battery. So you just put this in there along with it. That's what I did. I did that to all of them. Your solar panel, you have your battery, you have your lights, whatever you're gonna plug up into. You got the 2 USBs. It runs like 5 to 3 volts. I mean 5 volts, but 3 amps. I mean, it's okay for a phone, but you know, come on. Without further ado, come on. Let's just try this sucker. Now I did use the battery to charge my generator, but I don't think I could get it charged back up, and I think that's the issue that we have. And like I told you, I think it's because of the solar panel. We got this battery right here. Nice little battery, smaller than I expected, but hand palm size. When you putting this thing on, you do want to put your red one on first, then put the black one on. So okay. As you can see, it's at 1.1, 12.6, 10.5. 9 volts. So I don't know what I have to do specifically on here to make the battery more better. Now I know they were saying on here on the menu, you see like B1, B2 and all of that stuff. It's for different batteries. So the one that we got here is the LiPo4, which is a lithium battery. So we have to put that on number 2. I know that pretty much. I don't know, it's a lie. I don't want to say the wrong thing to y'all, you feel me? But let's just see something. Let's just see something. I want to see something. We're gonna try to plug up this my phone and see if it charges up. We're gonna plug up this iPad. We're gonna do the PlayStation controller. So let's see if one gonna work. We're gonna try the iPad and things like that first. Volt. All right. Oh. Alright, so it's charging. And let's see what this thing say now. 12.6, 10.5, 9.0. I mean, to be honest, I don't even know. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I think it's giving off 11 volts. I believe that's what it seems like. I'm not sure. If y'all know, just put it in the comments. But that came on, so it's gonna charge it slow. Like I said, it's only 5 volts, so that ain't, y'all know that ain't too much. You know that works. Let's plug this one on up in here. All right. I did that. Plug that up to 18%. 18. Alright, so the last one we're gonna try is, where's the other one at? Take that out. Let's put this in here. I was gonna do the PlayStation controller, but I forgot the cord at home. The ones we are going to do is a phone and Android to see if it works. I'm just curious. But this thing do work though, this battery do work, so I just gotta figure out a way to charge it, so I won't have to, you know what I mean? So let's see the Android, iPhone, and